Okay, sorry girls, I had to stop the video, it was getting blurred. Okay, we continue children with the accounting treatment. Now our accounting treatment will proceed as if we will proceed in the way assuming that X has sold the goods to Y on credit. So X becomes the drawer and Y will be the drawee. X is a drawer and Y will be the drawee. X is selling goods to Y. What is the accounting treatment? The first case to record the accounting treatment is when X has sold the goods to Y and the bill is and X writes the bill on Y and that bill he retains till the date of maturity. We know how to calculate the date of maturity, assuming the public holiday, the gazetted holiday, a Sunday, all those things, emergency holiday. Keeping in mind, we calculate the due date. And till the due date, the bill is retained by the drawer. Now the accounting treatment for that. The first thing these are the cases. The first case will be when X sells goods to Y. The first entry in the books of Y, what will he do? He will write he has sold goods to Y. So if we follow the principles of a journal entry of journalizing, X has sold goods to Y. Y is the receiver of the goods. So Y is receiver. Y will be debited. Y to sales. Y to sales. And in the books of Y, it will be purchases to X. Next is when X writes a bill on Y and Y accepts it and returns it to X. I repeat, X had sold the goods to Y. The goods sold means Y to sales and purchases to X in the books of drawee. Next thing is when X writes a bill and Y accepts that bill. The entry at that time in the books of X will be for X it is a BR, recovery. I explained to you BR is a document and it is taken under assets. So assets are always debited. BR debited to Y. Who is the giver? Y is the giver. So Y will be credited. BR to Y. But for Y, X is the receiver of the payment. So X will be receiver of the payment is always debited. X to bills payable. Bills payable, a document against which he has to pay. So these are liabilities. Liability account is always credited. So I repeat, in the books of X, the entry will be BR to Y. In the books of Y, drawee's entries, the entry will be Y to bills payable. Now, two entries we have discussed, Y to sales and BR to Y when the goods are sold, and purchases to X and X to bills payable when the goods are purchased. Third entry is when X retains the bill. This is only in the case when X is retaining the bill written by the drawee till the date of maturity. The entry at the time Y honors the bill for the payment being made on the due date for the payment being made. Y honors the bill and makes the payment to X on the due date. Y is honoring the bill. So bank to BR, he is receiving the payment. So for him it is bank account or cash account, both mean the same, both can be done. But because the entry here or the payment here is always made in through the bank, so it is not in cash. So we always use bank account, or it is preferable to use bank account to BR. And in the books of Y, it will be bills payable to bank. This is, children, only exception when bills payable will be debited and BR will be credited, because BR being an asset, assets are always debited. But here that asset, he receives the payment and that asset is finished for him. When assets get reduced or they get finished, they are credited. And for liabilities, bills payable, he has to pay against it, bills payable, so it's a liability for him. Liabilities are always credited, but when the payment is made, that liabilities gets finished. When liabilities get finished, they are debited. So bills payable to bank, that is the entry. I hope clear. I repeat the entry. In the books of X, I'm repeating only in the books of X first. Y to sales. When the acceptance is received, BR to Y. And when the payment is made, bank to BR. Now in the books of Y, purchases to X, X to bills payable, and bills payable to bank. I hope the entries are clear. In the books of, this is the case when the bill is retained by the drawer till the date of maturity. We will calculate the due date and on the plus taking consideration of days of grace. And on the due date, these entries will be made. This entry will be made on the date when the goods are sold. This will be made when the acceptance is received, maybe on the same day or at a later date. And this will be on the due date as calculated after allowing the days of grace if it permits. Clear? We proceed to next now, a question from your textbook.